I wake up every morning excited to go to work. Dr. Klein and I want to create a relationship with each of our patients. We want them to feel like they're being treated like family.
We do what we do so that people can go ahead and function in their daily lives, eating, chewing, smiling.
It's a pleasure to be in his office. I feel comfortable.
They're very caring, they're very personal. I feel as if I'm coming to my best friends.
I felt that they were just another family outside my home.
The advanced technology in our office allows us to provide patients with faster, more predictable, and safer treatment.
He's always getting new technology. He got this new 3D machine, which is basically a wand that takes a 3D impression of your teeth instead of the impressions now.
They took scans of my mouth that went around my head. I had never had that kind of scan before.
It blows my mind. They're advanced before the time. It's just amazing.
Many of our patients come here after having been told there's no effective treatment to solve their problem.
My teeth were awful to begin with. They were actually falling out, pain, periodontal disease. I didn't take good care of my teeth.
What started out as a project over 21 years ago to straighten out my teeth, slowly but surely turned me into a hockey player.
With our combined experience, Dr. Klein and I are able to provide the best treatment outcome for every single patient.
We are here to provide solutions.
They know what they're doing. If I had a problem, it would be resolved immediately. Now I have no pain, and I can smile without having to covering my mouth or not smiling at all when there's a picture or even when I'm talking to people.
I went from almost a hopeless situation to a situation where I don't even think about this. I'm really thankful every day.
Our office is dedicated to providing the best dental care to change people's lives.